Hey, have you ever wondered how your phone actually sends your voice or internet without any wires? I mean, there's no cord connecting my phone to anything, but somehow I can call my friend, watch videos, play games online, even send messages across the world. Seriously, when I was a kid, that blew my mind. So let's figure it out, step by step. First, when you speak into your phone doesn't send your actual voice flying into the air. Instead, it turns your voice into tiny codes. Think of it like this. Your voice is like a big picture. Your phone breaks it down into tiny dots or pieces. Like a puzzle, it changes your sound into numbers. Yes, it turns your voice into a bunch of numbers. This is called digital data. Now, your phone needs to send those numbers somewhere, but it can't just throw numbers into the air. It needs a ride. That is, something needs to carry that, right? That ride is called a radio wave. A radio wave is like an invisible ripple in the air. Your phone takes the numbers and hides them inside the wave. Imagine putting secret letters inside a flying paper airplane. The wave is the airplane. The numbers are the secret letters inside. Here's the crazy part. These invisible waves are all around us. They're flying through the air right now, carrying music, Wi-Fi, TV shows, phone calls, everything. But we can't see them because they're invisible ripples, moving super fast. So where does the wave go? It flies to the nearest cell tower. That tower is like a giant catcher's mitt. It grabs the wave, opens the secret letter, and reads the numbers. But your friend's not standing next to the tower, so the tower sends the numbers down wires or to other towers until it finds a tower near your friend. Finally, the tower near your friend takes those numbers, puts them into another wave, and sends that wave flying to your friend's phone. Your friend's phone catches the wave, reads the numbers, and turns the numbers back into your voice. Remember, everything happens in just seconds. Now you might ask, who made this magic system? A bunch of brilliant scientists and engineers. A long time ago, people discovered you could send signals by using invisible waves in the air, called radio waves. Over time, they built towers, antennas, and phones that could send and catch those waves perfectly. The base of all this is the radio waves and the towers. The air is like a giant invisible road. Radio waves are the cars driving on it. Phones and towers send those cars back and forth. Without waves, no ride. Without towers, nowhere to catch. So next time you're calling, texting, or scrolling, just remember, your phone is sending numbers riding invisible waves, flying through the air to towers, jumping across wires, then turning back into voices, videos, and memes, all in a blink of an eye. Crazy, right?